Hey guys, welcome to Daisuke channel. My name is Daisuke. Everybody call me Dai. Thank you for my watching video. I started this channel because I wanna learn English and I wanna practice my English. And I am currently practicing plant-based food. Plant-based food is diet focus on the live plant food. I am happy you are interested in plant-based food through in this channel. If you are interested in plant-based food, please try it in your cooking. Today I am going to show you how to make a soy milk Tobanjan. This dish don't use animal foods, so it is very healthy and very delicious. Please try to make it. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Then let's get started.